Good day, people. My name is Timothy Olaiwola, and I work for and with business owners to build a profitable social media presence. So, in today's video, I'm going to be making clarifications on what a content strategy is. That's a content strategy in terms of social media. So, now you must have heard of social media strategy, you must have heard of content strategy. Now, what does content strategy play? What role does it play in social media strategy? Now, your social media strategy is the overall plan. I mean, there are much more details to it, but then a content strategy does one section of your social media strategy, and it contains number one, the social media platforms you are posting to. Number two, it contains your posting frequency. How many times are you posting on each of these social media platforms? It's talking about, then we have your content type. You understand? The content type talks about, is it informative content, is it entertainment content, is it promotional content. Now, depending on the type of campaign you have at that particular time, you want to determine the flow and the mix of the content. Then we also have the content format. Is it going to be carousels? Is it going to be images? Is it going to be videos? Is it going to be text? Is it going to be poll? Depending on the social media platform, we have quite a wide range of social media platforms. One other thing central to your social media content strategy is your social media content calendar. Whether you manually create it with your Google Sheet or Excel or a content calendar creation tool. And so we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, click on notification bell, and share with someone who might need it today.